How to fix a stuck channel on Comcast.
Hello, Comcast users. Have you ever experienced a stuck channel on your Comcast cable TV service? It's annoying, isn't it? Today, we are going to walk you through the troubleshooting steps to get rid of that pesky problem.
What causes a stuck channel?
Before we jump into the solution, let's first understand what causes a stuck channel. Sometimes, this problem occurs due to transmission glitches or temporary service disruptions. It could also be an issue with your cable box, TV, or remote control.
Checking the remote and cable box.
Our first step in resolving this issue is to check the basic equipment, the remote and the cable box. Step 1. Try changing the channel using the buttons on your cable box. If this works, the issue might be with your remote. In this case, replace the batteries and check again. Step 2. If changing channels on the box also doesn't work, reset the cable box. Unplug it. Wait for around 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. Wait for the box to reboot fully.
Refreshing the signal.
If the first two steps don't resolve the issue, we move on to refreshing the signal. Step 1. You can refresh the signal to your cable box by navigating to the Help menu on your Comcast Xfinity X1 service. Step 2. Select Troubleshooting and then Refresh System. This will send a refresh signal to your cable box, and it might take up to 20 minutes for the process to complete.
Contacting Comcast support.
If the problem still persists, it's time to reach out to Comcast support. Step 1. Dial the Comcast customer service number, 1-800-XFINITY. Step 2. Follow the instructions provided by the representative. They may need to reset your service from their end or send a technician to check the problem in person. That's it, folks. These are the steps you need to take if you're dealing with a stuck channel on Comcast. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, most tech problems have a solution, and patience is key. Happy viewing!